Yadav versus Dhanush. Even
Himanshu Yadav versus
Dhanush. Yeah, that is a
Dhanush.
very interesting fight. Both are
and
very
Sunash
good.
Singh Rawat versus Naveen KS is a fight to look out for.
Yes, yes. So Yusuf started very hard. Oh, nice
body
kick.
kick. Oh, nice cross. Counter
Oh, they're
cross.
swinging. They're swinging.
Both fighters are swinging. Nice leg kick by Sara.
Sara is calm.
Sara is very calm. Sara is composed. I think Yusuf is
Yusuf is-
aggressively moving forward, but he needs to defend also.
Yusuf is just charging.
Nice body kick by Sara.
Oh,
Nice
that
hook.
was good punch. Both are swinging.
Nice hook. But Yusuf needs to calm himself down a little bit. I think he's
Oh, that was over.
there's a definite size difference between the two fighters.
Sara is setting up kicks very well actually. He's pushing Yusuf on backward.
Both fighters swinging now.
Oh, they're swinging. Oh, that connected.
Oh,
that
connected jab and cross
Oh,
connected
beautiful.
hard.
That connected.
The referee is giving standing count to Sara. Sara is saying he's okay. Nice leg kick. Sara, Yusuf moved back though. Superman punch attempt by Sara, but it did not land.
Now Sara
Overhand
is
attempt, but I think it
pushing to
went
the
through.
corner. Sara looks very in control.
Overhand. I think that land. Oh, good cross by
they're
Yusuf.
swinging. Oh, that connected.
That connected. That connected. End of round one. Great round one by both fighters. Great round one by both fighters. I think Yusuf landed some clean shots and that rocked Sara.
Yes.
But Sara is setting up the kicks very well.
I think Sara is very calm, taking
He's
his
very
time.
calm, taking his time.
But I think he's not going in and connecting the shot.
Short.
Wherein Yusuf is swinging, but actually it's connecting clean.
the swing clean, yeah. But we have to see if till round 3 Yusuf has the gas tank for swinging.
Yes. Sara looks like Sara has good gas tank.
Yeah.
Oh,
His body. Yusuf is swinging again, going in.
oh my God! It connected.
That's what happened.
Oh my God! God!
my God!
That is overconfidence and it connected.
Connected.
Clean. Oh my God!
Yusuf
The crowd
is
cheering
going
for
in
Yusuf.
and he's landing those shots. Sara needs to be more careful. He can't do
Sara
this.
is taking his time, but he's not connecting any clean shots.
Sara is now heavy on his feet also. And a slip. That was a slip.
It's a slip. Sara.
That was nice cross by Sara. But in these exchanges in general, Yusuf connects the better of the shots.
Yeah, in the exchanges, Yusuf is connecting clean.
Clean shots.
I think Sara is very calm, but I don't know when he is hitting. He's not hitting clean.
He's not hitting clean.
Disconnected. I think Yusuf is getting tired. Yusuf is tired.
Yusuf is tired.
Wherein Sara is ready. Now Sara.
Guys, calm down. Oh,
left
wild swings
didn't
by
connect, but that
Yusuf.
was good.
I think Yusuf should conserve a little more energy in these swings.
Sara is not showing through his expression, but he looks tired. He
looks tired. He looks
that
tired.
is connecting.
And
This is
that
where
Yusuf is
when the
connecting.
exchange start exchanging, Yusuf connects the shots.
Connects the shots.
Yusuf is fighting very smartly. I think Sara needs to. Again it
cross.
connected.
The energy at Malyuda 3.0 is wild. People are just screaming. Oh, great jab and cross.
Oh my
they're
God!
going
Yusuf
at
is
it.
connecting.
Yusuf is connecting like anything.
Now Sara.
Sara is tired also now. Oh,
Yusuf connected.
so many shots in that
So many
exchange.
shots. I don't know, when they're starting to exchange, it looks like Sara is in control.
Sara is in
He
control.
is deciding the pace, but weirdly, he's not. When he's entering the inside position, he's not able to connect.
Yeah.
Everything is he is swinging haymakers and it's not
Swinging,
connecting.
he's missing the shots. And Yusuf, who's been swinging, is connecting all those
Yeah,
shots.
all those shots.
Yusuf, let's go, Yusuf! Yusuf, सामने देखो, थके हुए, थके, भाई थके, Yusuf, थके हुए, थके.
Both are tired.
Last round of this fight, and this has been a wild fight till now.
Sara knows how to get in the opponent mind and is doing a very good job. But
Sara's
kind of
already
it's not
backing.
working on Yusuf.
Oh, and they go swinging again, and they clinch.
Oh, again it
Again,
connected.
it connected. The cross connected.
Yusuf is connecting.
थके Yusuf, थके हुए.
The teep Sara is doing a very good teep.
Very
He
good
connects. That connected. Sara. Now Sara is tired.
Sara is
Kind
tired.
of Yusuf is in the same pace, but he doesn't look like he's getting tired. More tired.
Both fighters are showing heart right now, and they're just exchanging
Sara
blows.
needs to change his pattern of entering. He throws a jab and an overhand, but it's not working. But he's not changing it.
Oh,
it
it
again
connected
connected.
again.
Yusuf
Oh
is
my
connecting like
God.
anything. Oh my God! When they start exchanging, Yusuf start connecting
Yusuf just starts
every
connecting
shot.
Every shot. Ref gives a standing count.
सामने जाओ.
Oh,
No, no.
side
Sarah
is
has to change
clinching.
his pattern. He's doing that jab and an overhand. He's entering with the same pattern. Oh, that was good. That
and
connected to the
it's
body.
connected
But
again. It's
once
connected.
again,
All
inside,
punches are
Yusuf
connecting.
starts connecting. Oh, again! Oh, my God, that was a
He's
clean
rocked.
cross.
I think
Oh
Shahzad
my God,
is rocked.
Yusuf is connecting. Both are tired, but somehow Yusuf connects every
All the
shot.
punches. Nice leg kick by Sarah.
Nice leg kick by Sarah.
Oh, and again he got connected.
Oh my God.
Cross. Yusuf is connecting. Great shot here. Sarah needs to answer it back.
Oh, that
Oh,
connected.
Nice, good overhand.
Sarah is tired. Oh, that
jab.
connected.
Oh.
That again, he got
That
rocked.
rocked
He
Sarah.
got rocked.
That got
He got
rocked.
rocked.
He got rocked. Sarah is rocked.
Sarah is
Biggest
rocked.
round.
The jab and that cross. He got.
What a fight. Last 10 seconds of round 3. Last 10 seconds of this fight. And Yusuf and Sarah are going. But Yusuf is connecting all the shots and he's connecting again. What a fight. What a fight.
Yusuf fought so well.
Yusuf fought very well. We wait for the judges' scorecard.
One, you can do only one, then stop.
The crowd is going crazy. Alright guys, so the winner is red corner by unanimous decision. Yusuf wins this fight. He showed the better of the shots. He got the better of the exchanges. A well-deserved victory.
Sarah was fighting.
From the blue corner, we have Leshram Dibson from Soup.
Fight inside circle.
Okay, guys, just a minute. We are skipping the bout number 17. Okay, we are having a 5-minute break. Just a 5 minutes. Okay, we are continuing the bouts.